I hope those who engaged in this exercise regret what they did.
Andũ 18 gũikio ngono magĩkuruhanio nĩ tharĩkĩra ya mũthabara wa Raila Odinga. Atongoria a ndini mwena wa Embu kũria a Kenya matigetĩkĩre kũhũrithanio nĩ ateti. Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa na Kenya kũnyitĩrĩra atĩ arĩ o kĩhĩtahĩtano-inĩ kĩa gavana kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga. Gatho cia mwanya nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra na ithuĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ĩno nĩ juma ya mbere wa mweri ũyũ wa kana. Ngagũcokeria ngatho mũno nĩ gũcagũra ceceni ya iNooro TV. Maya nĩ mohoro maitũ ma iNooro Miaraho, niĩ njĩtagwo Njambi wa Njaũ. Tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ mũnini wa President Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩ ahoete mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM ũrekeri nĩ ũndũ wa gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ nyanake mwena wa Uasin Gishu mũthenya wa ira. Ruto augĩte atĩ ngũĩ ici citirĩ na ithenya ũteti-inĩ wa mwaka ũyũ na arenda honge cia ũgitĩri cihanyũkie gũtacũkĩria makinya arĩa mekũnyitĩkana na mahĩtia. Ruto no athĩte arũmĩrĩri ake arĩa mararĩ mathiko-inĩ macio metĩkĩre kũnyitanĩra na honge cia ũthuthuria.
I also take this opportunity to apologize to the Honorable Raila Odinga for what happened to him yesterday. It was really unfortunate, and I hope those who engaged in this exercise regret what they did. And as I have said, we will roll out the party structures to work with the security agencies so that we can get to the root of this act, which is most unfortunate. And we will demonstrate our commitment to an election that is peaceful by making sure that we take the necessary steps. All members of UDA and our Kenya Kwanza alliance must never engage in any acts of violence. Violence is retrogressive, primitive, and as I said, tears down our democracy. I have instructed the party to work with the police so that we can get to the root of what happened yesterday in Eldoret. And if any of our party candidates were involved, we are going to take disciplinary action against any candidate who may have been involved in the violence that was meted out against the Honorable Raila Odinga. We are firm believers in a democratic society where every Kenyan politician, leader or candidate must be given the space and the opportunity to sell their ideas. Our contest is about ideas that will move Kenya into the future, and every candidate must be given that opportunity. Our competitors must be given that opportunity the same way we want to have that opportunity. And therefore, I have issued instructions to the party that if any of our candidates was involved in that exercise, we did take the position that any candidate who engages themselves in violence, and especially violence against women, will be disqualified. So I want to reiterate again to all our members across the country, all our candidates across the country, that violence is a no-go zone. That violence cannot be part of the modus operandi of the UDA or our Kenya Kwanza coalition partners. We are firm in this belief because we believe that if the next elections is canvassed around ideas, around an agenda for our country, and around clarity of vision for our country, all of us as Kenyans will be the better as a people, as a nation, and as a country.
Andu 18 nĩ maikĩtio ngono kũrũmĩrĩra tharĩkĩra ya mũthabara wa mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga mũthenya wa ira mathiko-inĩ ma muonjoria wegatũ Jackson Kibor. Gavana wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago nĩ akanĩte thitango cia gũkuruhanio na itharĩkĩra rĩrĩ. Mandago augĩte atĩ ona nĩwe ũrateithĩrĩirie Junet Mohamed na Babu Owino na ngari na arangĩri ake, na nĩ amakĩte nĩ kũigua atĩ nĩo maracokire kuga atĩ nĩ arabangĩte ngũĩ ici. Mandago augĩte atĩ we ti mũteti wa ligi ya kũhũrithania andũ nĩguo one ngumo na agakũmithia ngũĩ ici. Erĩte aikari a kaunti ĩno maikaranie na thayũ mategũkuruhanio nĩ mĩahũ ya ũteti.
Wherever we can differ in political ideology, but that does not make us necessarily enemies. So I want to ask the Inspector General of Police, na pia nataka kumwambia IG, you know your team are very good at issuing threats and statements, but with very little action. I have personally told the County Commander of Police here, Panayu. I have told the OCS for Soy, Pana Kachero. He was at the scene. He must deal with those few criminals who did that kind of act. Na sio maneno tu ya kusema firm instructions and then we don't see any action. And not just for this incident, for all political incidents in this country. Because unless the institutions charged with the responsibility take stern action, we shall be issuing statements versus statements and we are not seeing action. We want to see action that will deter anybody else imagining or thinking of causing any political violence in this country. This is the last county that you would expect any violence. We've spent a lot of time, resources investing on peace-building initiative and cohesion programs.
We have moved around throughout the night and we have been able to arrest 14 out of the youth that participated in the throwing stone yesterday. At night we are also able to get statement even from the captain who was also the one who was carrying the Prime Minister. He has given us his own experience, what he saw, and also we have also engaged even the inspector, the chief inspector, who was also accompanying the Prime Minister up to the residence, from the residence up to the chopper. But what we want to update, we want to say is we are heading somewhere, because there are quite a number of information we are getting from those who we have arrested. The DCI, the investigation. The DCI is also dealing with the issue. The only thing that we must also agree as a county, we cannot allow that to be repeated in our county. We have continued to preach peace. We have continued telling the leaders to allow tolerance to anybody who is coming. Whether you belong to your party, you must be able to accommodate your competitor. You must, and we have also continued to tell them not to use our youth. However, because of these incidents, we are sure we are going to lead to one of the leaders who is likely to have organized that group. And it will be a lesson to all of them.
Rĩrĩ ateti marĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũmatha kura, komishona wa Nyanza Magu Mutindika nĩ arutĩire mũkana ateti arĩa marabanga na kũheana mbeca nĩguo matuthure ngahĩha kambĩini-inĩ cia ang'ethanĩri ao. Mutindika augĩte thayũ wa bũrũri nĩguo ũrĩ na bata makĩria gũkĩra mwĩyendo wa ateti amwe gũkũ wothe ũgũkuruhanio na mahĩtia wa magũthoga thayũ. Akĩrwo ndekunĩrwo ritho nĩ watho. Wangari Maria wa Mũigana nĩ aratarĩria.
Komishona wa mwena wa Nyanza Magu Mutindika uria warĩtie arĩ igongona rĩa kũhumbwo thũmbĩ kwa arutwo thukuru-inĩ wa arutani wa Migori athingatĩte ateti methe kura ciao mategũkanĩrĩra kana kwaria mĩario ĩngĩcũngĩrĩria ngũĩ.
And the election is not about fighting. Election is about issues. So I would like to request the Migori residents, as we approach the elections, we are some months to the election. I will request the residents to conduct the elections in a peaceful way.
Augite mbutu cia ugitiri ire maitho na wothe kunyitikana githoga thayo na njira o yothe ona kana kubanganira njama cia guthukaniria kambeni ndekwirisa guoko kwa watho.
Because if you don't, tutapatana na wewe huko tu. I don't want to cheat. We don't pretend. We cannot allow you to destroy this country. So I want to caution each and everybody. Politicians, other key players, let us do peaceful elections.
Nake mubunge wa Suna ya Ithũĩro oritie aikia a kura mathũrime na kinya aria maretha iturwa matekuheneka ni ateti aria maroka mahakite kanua maguta na ciĩranĩro itahingagio.
It is another turning point for us. We need to elect leaders who can change the way things are being done.
Yamane nayo ni ũndũ wa wagĩrĩru wa thayũ wa bũrũri. Peter Mungai ni aratarĩria.
Kanjo ya makanitha ya NCCK thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Embu nĩ ũrĩtie President Uhuru Kenyatta na mũnini wake William Ruto kwĩthema gwĩkanĩria ciugo mbere ya Kenyatta na mũnini wake William Ruto kwĩthema gwĩkanĩria ciugo mbere ya mũingĩ. Avunja ya maugĩte na wanginyagia aĩrĩ aya megwĩthanĩria na matige gwĩkanĩria mĩario na nĩguo matuĩke kĩonereria kĩega kĩa ũtongoria mwega.
Mavota gũtuĩkĩria mwaki na njĩra ya tũnyua twao. Maikania makiuma vau nĩtũgwĩtĩkia makauma maya andũ wega na matũrutĩre kĩndũ kĩega. Na
gũkũ nderetia kwambatĩra kwa ngombo ya bũrũri kĩthiaga na mbere, avunja aya nĩmaugĩte mbeca iria irakombwa korwo no ivũthĩke na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire nĩ kũngĩrĩ na kĩvonia kĩa mathĩna marĩa macũngĩrĩirie thogora wa mũtũrĩre kwambatĩra varĩ Mũkenya.
Thirikari ndĩgatonye vandu vangĩkovwa mbia either nĩ gũkũ ndarĩ Kenya kana nĩ nja. Nĩ ũndũ kanyarĩ ta gaka nĩko gatũmagĩrwo nĩ andũ engĩ magĩtwo atongoria.
Na nĩ ũndũ nĩ tũraũria na gĩtĩo ta kanitha thirikari ĩrorie ũvoro wa ũrĩa indo ciragĩa goro kavindarĩ gaka na magerie mitigate prices icio nĩgetha ciĩkũrũke nĩgetha andũ matige kuona thĩna.
Wavona mavinyererie vata ya kwiga thayo evindarĩ rĩrĩ bũrũri ũrevarĩra gũtabania gĩthurano kĩnene mweri wa kanana na wavo wa mũndũ kũvewa kanya ga kwenda kĩoneki gĩake.
Nĩtũkũria atungatĩri onthe a makanitha monthe ma-encourage kana tũkamauria mekĩrĩre kĩyo kuonia andũ ũvoro wa gũkorwo maina thayo especially ivinda rĩrĩ rĩna campaign.
Vandori va iNooro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, Beta kwa Peter Mungai.
Ngari cia kambeini cia mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga nĩ imwe cia iria ciĩkorete mũhatĩkano-inĩ wa gũcarania na betũrũ mwena wa Kapenguria kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro. Kũrarĩkana ngari ici itigĩtwo itarĩ na wĩki tiga gweterera mũhatĩkano-inĩ ũyũ amu cienderio nyingĩ cia mwena ũcio nĩ ihingĩtwo nĩ ũndũ wa wagi wa maguta na cio iria nini irĩ namo irenderia ene ngari itangi nuthu. Kate Muthoni nĩ aratarĩria.
Thaiko micio tuko niguo ngari na nduthi irerĩkana ciambĩrĩirie gwĩkinyia kĩenderio-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa maguta gĩa taũni ya Kapenguria kaunti-inĩ ya West Pokot. O mũndũ arĩ na mwĩhoko wa kuona maguta amu cienderio nyingĩ cia mwena ũcio itirĩ na maguta ũndũ ũrĩa wambĩrĩirie gũthararia mĩhang'o ya ũthii. Ateithĩrĩria a kambeni cia mũtongoria wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ni amwe arĩa mekorete mũhatĩkano-inĩ ũyũ amuona ngari ciao itiuma na maguta na koguo no mwaka mangĩetereire mũhatĩkano-inĩ ũyũ nginyagia ngari ciao ikinyĩrwo kwenderio maguta. Taũni-inĩ ya Murang'a kũratuĩka gũtirĩ maguta mbombo-inĩ ona ĩmwe na atwarithia a ngari na nduthi marabatarwo kuoha thabarĩ nginyagia Sagana na mwĩhoko wa atĩ marĩa manini matigarĩte matigũtinĩkĩra barabara-inĩ. Thĩna ũyũ wa maguta ũthiĩte na mbere kũgũmĩra icigo itiganĩte ũkĩrĩkana ũkinyĩte nginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Garissa kũrĩa mĩhang'o ya ũthii ĩthararĩte kumana na cienderio nyingĩ cia maguta kũhingwo kwa ihinda nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga maguta.
Vile mnaona tulirauka kuanzia asubuhi, tumerauka hapa saa 12 kama ambayo tunapiga kura na mpaka saa hii hatujapata mafuta. Mafuta ni vile unaona ni Shell peke yake ndo nauza mafuta, huku kwingine kote Garissa mzima hakuna mafuta.
I have driven from Mandera. It has taken me over 12 hours to reach Garissa. When I came here, there is a fuel crisis. My car is parked here. since 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not able to get fuel. There's a crisis. I don't know how long I'm going to wait.
Hapa nilifaa niende kazini. Saizi siwezi enda kazi juu sina mafuta. Penye ninafaa niende ni kilomita 100. Saizi sina mafuta, nimepanga foleni hapa kutoka asubuhi saa 11 mpaka saizi. Kenya tunaenda wapi? Sasa
thino yo shogereirie mateta kuma kuri aikari amuru matigetwo na gefarwa gya gucarania na maguta na ifuyo na mitungi na makiria kuona ati tauni-ini ya Garissa kenderio kimwe tu gya Shell nokyo kiri na maguta.
I think the government has to do something to make sure that we have access to fuel in this place, because the society seems like they're stranded. There are over 15 cars here. We need fuel immediately.
Alikuu wa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta na naibu wake, tuko na tatizo sana kwa saidi za mafuta Garissa na Hola, na nasikia Wakenya wote wanalalamika kwa kila mahali kwa tatizo za mafuta. Tunaomba rais mafuta Kenya ikuje,
serikali watusaidie. Sisi saizi tunaumia, tuwezi enda kazi, tutakula nini? Kama penye tunaenda ni distance kilomita 100 mpaka sahi sijaenda kazi. Leo nitalala njaa na watoto wako nyumbani.
Thino yo wa wagi wa maguta ugumire kaunti itiganite ta Nairobi, Murang'a, Busia, Eldoret, West Pokot na Garissa. Gerifotera iNooro TV, Jitagwo Kit Muthoni.
Kiama kia Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kirigireirwo kwambiriria kambeini cia kio muthenya wa umuthi mwena wa Pokot ya ithwiro thutha wa kunina henwa iria mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka arari nacio riwe rigireirwo kunyitanira na Odinga mucemanio-ini wa umuthi.
Tunasema tunataka kukomboa Kenya. Tunataka kupigana yale maadui matatu makubwa ya Wakenya: ugonjwa, ujinga na umaskini. Sawa? Sawa. Hiyo ndio jibu mimi nimeleta hapa. Na mimi nina furaha kupika hapa Utum. Hapa hii West Pokot yote mko na rotuba nyingi zaidi. Iko rasilimali nyingi zaidi hapa ambayo iko chini ya ardhi. Inalala tu. Watu wako na njaa hapa juu, wako hapa fukara hapa juu, lakini mali iko kule chini, sio? Mpaka tutumie mbinu kutoa ile mali chini ilete utajiri kwa watu wa hapa West Pokot. Sawa? Sasa hapa naona hiyo tu cement factory. Hii cement factory simulilia sana mara mingi zaidi. Sasa hako tayari. Niambia Uhuru tukuja hapa kuzindua kirasmi kabla hajatoka kwa ofisi. Nitakuja na yeye. Sawa. Vile tumesema hii barabara ambayo inapita hapa hii itapanuliwa. Itapita hapa barabara kubwa ambayo inapita hapa inaingia pale huko ile Kori, inaingia Lodwar, inaingia mpaka Juba, iende mpaka kule Katumu. Sawa, mpaka Cairo International Highway. Na ile nyingine inapita pale kutoka Takwel inaingia kule Tot, inaingia kule Loruk, inaenda huko mpaka Nakuru mpaka Nairobi. Sawa. Sasa tunataka kusaidia sisi nyinyi kwa pande ya rasilimali ambayo iko chini na kwa upande ya kilimo. Maana yake mimi najua nyinyi wa kufugaji na wengine ni wakulima, sio? Sasa hapa nimeambiwa kwamba kuna hapa gala ya kuhifadhi kitunguu. Na gavana ameniambia mimi hii ni kidogo sasa. Kitunguu iko nyingi sana. Wakenya wanakula kitunguu mpaka Mombasa, mpaka Kisumu, mpaka Nairobi. Tutajenga kubwa kushinda hii, kubwa kabisa hapa. Sawa. Tutahakikisha kwamba maji iko ya kutosha. Ile ya mto tutapiga na pampu, na ile nyingine iko chini tutachimba ile maji ya chini, ili maji ije karibu na wananchi. Sawa. Tuelewana vizuri? Stima vile tutaleta
Tutaleta kitima karibu na miji pale watu wanaishi, na gharama yake vile vile itakwenda chini. Sawa? Mbolea, tutarudisha bei ya mbolea chini. Mliona jana tuliongea na Uhuru jana asubuhi, nikamwambia wakulima wanalia bei ambayo leo iko juu zaidi. Akaniambia mimi napunguza. Jana tayari alipunguza kutoka 6,000 mpaka 2,800. Si uliona hiyo? Sisi tunarudisha chini zaidi ili wakulima waweze kupata afueni.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Kenya Martha Karua anyitireire ati ari okihitahitano-ini gia giturwa kia gavana. Karua uria ugutafanetie mucemanio wa muingi mwena wa Kirugoya niguo gutariria gitumi giake gia kuingira ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio, augite ona akoro andu makoretwo makimutara aingire utetini wa bururi, wendi wake ni gutungatira aikari a Kirinyaga ari ta gavana.
Mieri 5 mbere ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana, mutongoria wa kiama kia Kenya Martha Karua ni acokete kiharo-ini gia kumatha kura cia giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini na Kirinyaga kung'ethana na ahuraniri angi 5. Na kuma riria Karua aingirire ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja, akoretwo akiendekithio atuike munini wa Odinga, no we akinyiriire ati wendi wake ni gutungatira kaunti ya Kirinyaga ari ta gavana.
Na nikio rigwa na Kenya ya keri turuga uongozi kiria kiagu Kirinyaga na gikaga Kenya ni utongoria mwega. No utongoria mwega utengiuka utangithurana wiciritie. No nginya we uri oraceria mutongoria wa muthemba uriku. Ni ndengeciria mutongoria wena wigirereki ungibota kuramata indo cia muingi, mundu wena ngoro ya kurutira andu wira, mundu ucayagira muingi.
Hindi ya mucemanio wa muingi wa Kirinyaga mwena wa Kirugoya, Karua ni atariirie gitumi giake gia kuingira ngwataniro-ini la Azimio na kunyita mbaru Raila Odinga, akiuga ucio noguo mwaho uria ungitungatira Kenya na njira igwete.
Kwoguo tuteithurane ati Azimio te BBI. Azimio ina 10-point agenda na itina maundu acu. Na igoti nirirougire na nitugite ogu katiba no icenjue no korwo makinya magirwa ni gwika atia. No riu no ngaturariria cia gucenjia cia katiba turariria ithurano. Kwoguo tukurane indu icu igiri. Aria marenda kumubinga meitho meguka makiugagiriria tari ta BBI ario Azimio kana tarimo linda katiba twari andu anini muno.
Gavana wa Kirinyaga no iguru ni umwe andu aria makoretwo makira Karua ati kiuga giake kia uteti ni gikirite kaunti ya Kirinyaga, indi Karua anyitiriire ati aroka guthinga mahoro ma utingiaru wa utongoria wa gavana wa iguru.
Ngithura kurugama na Azimio ndina thura na njira itheru. Ndirathurire ndiciritie na tutwiritie na kiama tukona baria nibo na batiagite o maundu mangirungwa no baria nibo ni tugwikara ndi twiki atia tusire.
Mwaka-ini wa 2017 niguo Karua ahuranire giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ino ya Kirinyaga riri rita riake ria mbere. Handu-ini ha iNooro TV kuma Kirugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Boni wa Thuku.
Na riu twambe tuikirie oro hanini ndukahutie mitambo ni tugucokereria.
When it comes to school movies, School Flicks is big time. Get a taste of local drama. Stick to the story, sir. Thrillers.
If you don't repent, it will rain fire.
And experience raw talent from schools around Kenya. Embrace Kenyan.